Let's create a realistic fake pimple with special effects makeup. So first, you want to prep the skin. Cleanse the area on your nose where you want to create the pimple to ensure it is free of any oils and makeup. Now you want to grab some skin adhesive like spirit gum, and you want to take a small dab of it and apply it in the area you want the pimple to be. Wait a few moments and test the texture of the spirit gum. If you tap it and it pulls away in sticky strings, it's ready for application. Next, you want to take some scar wax. Roll the wax into a small ball, just slightly larger than the size of the pimple you want to create. Then you want to place the wax over the spirit gum. Then you want to blend the edges into your skin using a makeup spatula, or you can use your fingers to make it look like it's a part of your skin. Next, you want to shape the pimple with a head. Gently press down in the center of the wax ball with the tip of a spatula or a small tool to create a shallow indentation. Take a tiny bit of white or yellow cream makeup or face paint and fill the indentation to create the appearance of a whitehead or pus. Now we are going to apply liquid latex. If any of you cannot use liquid latex and want a latex-free version of this video, leave a comment down below. Dab a small amount of liquid latex over the wax and whitehead to seal it and create a skin-like texture. Use a makeup sponge or brush to apply the latex in thin layers, and you want to allow each layer to dry before applying the next. About 2 or 3 layers should do the trick. Once everything is dried, apply the foundation over the pimple and the surrounding skin to match your skin tone. Be careful not to apply the foundation in the middle of the pimple. Now we're going to add redness and discoloration. Use red cream or face paint to add a slight flush around the pimple to mimic irritation. And that is how you create a fake pimple. What makeup tutorial would you want to see next? Leave a comment down below. I hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.